The day octopus is active during the day. Hi, I'm Brandon. I'm a marine biologist and an artist, and welcome to Nature Meets Paper, the place where we go on an adventure to discover the world of marine biology. I love sharing my passion of the ocean and its creatures with you through art. If you've been with this community for a while, you might recognize this animal. Today we're going to be discovering the day octopus. Are you ready? Let's dive in! The day octopus, or the Cyan's octopus, is found among coral reefs in the Indo-Pacific. They can be seen hiding near sponges and corals, as well as walking the seafloor if you are lucky. These animals have a scattered distribution from Hawaii all the way to East Africa. I couldn't find a map showing their range, so just picture a band roughly 10 degrees above and below the equator. Starting in East Africa, going into the Indian Ocean, along the northern and eastern coast of Australia, ending in Hawaii. These octopus prefer water that is warm and perfect for creating coral reefs. The day octopus, or He'e, in Hawaiian is active during the day. Most octopus are active during the night. This octopus lives for roughly 18 months and is a relatively small species. The mantle can reach lengths of 16 centimeters with 80 centimeter arms. This is basically 31 inches of arms and a 6-inch mantle. These octopus have 8 arms, 3 2-chambered hearts, and 9 brains, 1 for each arm and the central brain. Instead of having a large 4-chambered heart like humans, they have 3 2-chambered hearts. These 2 chambers direct the flow of blood out to the body, into the central heart, and then back out to the body, out to the 3rd heart. The central heart is primarily for oxygen exchange. How would we identify a day octopus? One way is if it's daytime, and you see one being active. Another way is size. And finally is color and patterns. However, this octopus is a master of camouflage. Since it is active during the day, it needs to be able to change color, shape, and its texture. It seems like many of the animals that we are discovering are doing this. But back to science. Typically, they are light brown with a dark false eye. They have dark brown tips on their arms with 2 rows of lighter spots at the base of their arms. The false eye spot is only visible with certain patterns and colors. So it is hard to describe and identify because it is constantly changing its appearance to match its surrounding substrate. They live in caves or crevices in the coral. Another way to identify the day octopus is by its den. They leave shells and remains of food just outside of the entrance of their den, known as midden. Let's discover what the day octopus eats. They are predators and feed on reef fish, crabs, shrimp, squid, and sometimes other octopuses. The only hard part of the octopus is the sharp beak that can crush shells. The day octopus is listed as not threatened on the IUCN Red List. Even though there are small local fisheries for the octopus, they're still doing fine. Let's get into my personal encounter with this octopus. I was back at the Maui Ocean Center. I didn't even plan on taking pictures of this octopus again for this season. I already had a day octopus, so why do I need another one? Well, I will tell you. The last time I saw the octopus, it wasn't doing much. It just kind of sat there and swam once or twice, but this time, I didn't even know what it was doing. It was twisting its tentacles around and curling up, and I don't know if it was feeding or if it was just bored, but it was cool. It was cool to see the tentacles spinning and appearing out of nowhere. It almost looked like an optical illusion. So I had to take a picture and paint it again for you. It is encounters like this that always keep me on my toes. I went into the aquarium with a plan, and it changed immediately. That is all for this adventure. I will call this painting finished. thanks for going on this adventure with me. It means so much that you take time to discover something new by watching this video. Thanks for being an active member of this community by leaving likes, comments, shares, and subscribing. It all helps this channel grow. I'm selling art and merchandise on my website as well as teespring.com. Links are down below. Remember, share your discoveries and adventures with a friend. It's more fun that way. I've been Brandon, and I'll see you on our next adventure.